Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Coffee Curves. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a small window makeover using these amazing fabric films by Tailor. This product is user-friendly, easy to apply, and environmentally friendly since they are made from real fabric. Let's jump right into the video and learn more about this and how it enhances my space. So this is the window where I'm going to be applying the privacy window film. This room sits right next to a common pathway and hence we are always struggling to have some privacy. I also wanted to uplift this space a little bit and make it feel more cozy as I'm planning for a room makeover very soon. I got two products. One of them is in plain white and the other is a printed one. It has a very nice plants kind of a print on it, which I really liked. I will just show you that in a moment. If you check out their website, they have a wide variety of luxurious European designs to choose from, and all of these designs are hand-drawn. I also like the way the product is packaged and presented, which is really neat. And my first impression of the product is like, wow, I already like this product and can't wait to install it. It is so well made and of high quality. It also has this little user guide which has printing, cutting, mounting instructions, and it also tells you how you can clean the product and remove the product easily. Here is a closer look of how the plain one looks. They do come in three colors: white, grey and black. And you can make your space unique to your style by using these printed fabric films. This product can be mounted on smooth and flat surfaces such as glass, polished stainless steel and lacquered surfaces. Prior to mounting, the surface must be thoroughly cleaned with water and ammonia mixture or alcohol mixture and dried with a lint-free cloth. Peel back the first 8 to 12 inches of the liner from the fabric and be sure not to distort or stretch the fabric. To avoid stretching the fabric, it helps placing the fabric side down and the liner side on top and then peeling away the liner from the fabric. Fold the liner back. Start applying the product to the window, leaving some amount of overlap on all sides. Again, it depends on the type of window that you are applying the product to. In my case, I had only an inch of overlap on the outer edges, which is totally fine. Continue application by pulling the liner down and applying firm pressure on the fabric, starting from the center and moving outwards. You could also use a squeegee or something like a plastic ruler to smooth out all the air bubbles. You can use a ruler to make sure the edges are stuck properly. Cut away the excess material with a ruler and a sharp knife and be careful not to damage the rubber seals. And lastly, carefully remove the cutaway material away from the window. I loved how these eco-friendly fabric films instantly uplifted my space. It provided me some amount of privacy while not blocking the natural light away, which was perfect for my upcoming room makeover. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to purchase this beautiful product, I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Do check it out. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.